Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to make app icons bigger or smaller. So guys, if you want to make your app icon bigger on your home screen, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you do this. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, for that you have to just simply press and hold the home screen. Now here you can see the option of edit. So guys, simply tap on it, and from here guys you can see here option add widget and customize. So guys, you have to just simply tap on customize, and here you can see automatic dark light and here is the color of your home screen, but here you can see the option of large. So guys, simply tap on it, and after that here you can see the apps icon is bigger. So guys, in this way you can easily bigger your app icon on iPhone home screen in iOS 18. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.